on top on
Yeah,
DPS,
but he has
even when the boss
bracers
die.
He has
bracers
the legendary prices, makes kinda big difference.
I don't know how big the single target DPS increase those braces are.
10 at least.
Is it 10?
Like 50k, give or take.
Yeah,
40,
okay,
50K.
then it's the same as the Moonkin headpiece.
But he's the lowest geared mage ain't
Doesn't matter, he has the fucking
Not really,
braces.
he has the best gear.
Oh.
He has like the mythic trinket from the tree.
he? Rat stimmers.
Yep, but this is the kind of the case of this expansion, like eye level doesn't
best
matter
fun.
that
User
much.
joined your channel.
It's more about what stats you have, like at least for Fire Mage. Like you can have 8 and 90 and it doesn't fucking matter if you don't have crit on it.
Yeah, it
Like,
depends
then
on
it's fucking worthless.
some classes it matters a lot, for some classes it doesn't.
Actually, I went through quite a couple of logs yesterday because I'm
User
looking at,
disconnected
like,
from your channel.
improvements and shit. So I'm doing I'm getting pretty good passes. Nope, not gonna fucking happen if they know what they're doing with it. But I don't mind it that much. It's not like something that keeps me awake at night because, well, as we get longer into the expansion, it's kind of gonna even out eventually.